Poco has globally launched the F7 Ultra along with the F7 Pro. F7 Ultra come in yellow and black color. The Poco F7 Ultra is a rebranded version of the Redmi K80 Pro. Poco F7 Ultra features a 6.67-inch TCL M9 OLED 2K display with a 3200 by 1440 resolution, 120 Hz LTPS refresh rate, 12-bit color depth, and 3200 nits peak brightness. Poco F7 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on a 3nm process, with a 45% CPU and 44% GPU performance boost. With up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB storage UFS 4.0. Poco F7 Ultra come with triple camera setup, includes a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 32MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP floating telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and 20MP front camera. Poco F7 Ultra has a 6000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. The F7 Ultra starts at $649 for the 12GB plus 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.